Let me start with something bold. They've been stealing from you for years. Not your money, not your passwords, something more valuable. Your attention, your time, your momentum. Every time you check your phone for no reason, every time you scroll just for a minute, every time you question your path because someone else's post made you feel behind, that's attention hijacked. And your audience, they're living in that same chaos every single day. That's why storytelling matters more than ever. We are not just trying to get attention. We are fighting for cut through distraction, to reach people, to connect, not just to promote. Because a good story doesn't just grab attention, it holds it. It earns trust. It moves people. And that's what sells. Here is the mistake most marketers make. They force it. They shout. They hype. They chase the algorithm. But a real influence, real attention, comes when your story matches what people truly care about. That's when they are stopped scrolling. That's when they are lean in. That's when your message lands. So here is the shift I want you to make. Don't write to impress. Write to align. Stop chasing attention. Start earning it. Because your audience doesn't need more noise. They're already drawing in it. They need clarity. They need honesty. They need something that finally makes sense. That's what your story can do when it's told right. And in the next lecture, I will show you exactly how to craft hooks that break through the noise and pull people in fast. Let's keep going.